What are the diagnosis and treatment of brain tumors? The diagnosis include: if it is suspected that you have brain tumor, your doctor may recommend a number of tests and procedures including a neurological exam. A neurological exam may include, among other things, checking your vision, hearing, balance, coordination, strength and reflexes. Difficulty in one or more areas may provide clues about the part of your brain that could be affected by a brain tumor. Imaging test. Magnetic resonance imaging is commonly used to diagnose brain tumor. In some cases, dye may be injected through a vein into your arm during your MRI study. A number of specialized MRI scan components, including functional MRI, perfusion MRI, and magnetic resonance spectroscopy, may help your doctor evaluate the tumor and plan treatment. Sometimes other imaging tests are recommended, including computerized tomography (CT scan), positron emission tomography (PET), may be used for brain imaging, but it is generally not used as useful for creating images of brain cancer as it is for other type of cancer. Test to find a cancer in other part of your body. If it is suspected that your brain tumor may be result of cancer that has spread from another area of your body, your doctor may recommend test and procedure to determine whether the cancer originate. One example might be CT or PT scan to look for sign of lung cancer. Collecting and testing a sample of abnormal tissue biopsy. A biopsy can be performed as a part of an operation to remove the brain tumor, or biopsy can be performed using a needle. A stereostatic needle biopsy may be done for brain tumor in hard-to-reach areas or very sensitive area within your brain that might be damaged by a more extensive operation. Your neurosurgeon drills a small hole in your skull. A thin needle is then inserted through the hole. Tissue is removed using such needle, which is frequently guided by CT or MRI scanning. The biopsy sample is then viewed under the microscope to determine if it is cancerous or benign. Sophisticated laboratory tests can give you doctor clues about your prognosis and your treatment option. What are the treatment options? Treatment for brain tumors depend on the type, size, and location of the tumors as well as your overall health and your preferences. Surgery. If the brain tumor is located in a place that make it is accessible for an operation, your surgeon will work to remove as much as your brain tumor as possible. In some cases, tumors are small and easy to separate from surrounding brain tissue, which make complete surgical removal possible. In other cases, tumor can't be separated from surrounding tissue. Are they located near sensitive area in your brain, making surgery risky? In this situation, your doctor remove as much as tumor which is safe. Even removing a portion of the brain tumor may help reduce your sign and symptom. Surgery to remove a brain tumor carries risks such as infection and bleeding. Other risks may depend upon the part of your brain where your tumor is located. For instance, surgery on a tumor near nerve that connect to your eyes may carry a risk of vision loss. What is radiation therapy? Radiation therapy uses high energy beams such as X-ray or proton to kill tumor cells. Radiation therapy can come from machine outside of to your body, or in very rare cases radiation can be placed inside your body to close the brain tumor. External beam radiation can focus just on the area of your brain where the tumor is located, or it can be applied to your entire brain. Whole brain radiation is most often used to treat the cancer that spread. Radiosurgery. Stereostatic radiosurgery is not a form of surgery in the traditional sense. Instead, radiosurgery uses multiple beam of radiation to give a highly focused form of radiation treatment to kill the tumor cell in a very small area. Each beam of radiation isn't particularly powerful, but the point where all the beam meet at the brain tumor receive a very large doses of radiation to kill the tumor cells. These are the different type of technology used in radiosurgery to deliver radiation to treat the brain tumor, such as gamma knife or linear accelerator. Radiosurgery is a typical done in one treatment, and in most cases you can go home at the same day. What are the chemotherapy? Chemotherapy uses to kill the tumor cell. Chemotherapy drug can be taken orally in pill form or injected into the vein. The chemotherapy drugs used most often treat brain tumor is temozolomide, which is taken as pill. Many other chemotherapy drugs are available and may be used depending upon the type of cancer. Chemotherapy side effects depend upon the type and dose of the drug you receive. Chemotherapy can cause nausea, vomiting, and hair loss. Tests of your brain tumor cell can determine whether a chemotherapy will be helpful for you. The type of brain tumor you have is helpful in determining whether to recommend chemotherapy. Targeted drug therapy. Targeted drug treatment focus on a specific abnormality present within the cancer cell. By blocking these abnormalities, targeted drug treatment can cause cancer cell to die. Targeted drug therapy are also available for certain type of brain tumors and many more are being studied in clinical trials. Many different forms of targeted therapy are also being developed. Rehabilitation after treatment. Because brain tumor can develop in part of the brain that control motor skill, speech, vision, thinking, and rehabilitation may be necessary part of the recovery. Depending upon your need, your doctor may refer you to physical therapy to help you regain lost motor skill or muscle strength, occupational therapy, which is necessary to help you to get back to your normal daily activity, including work after the brain tumor or other illness, speech therapy, with specialists in speech difficulty to help if you have difficulty in speaking, tutoring for school age children to help get cope with changes in their